Yes, students, now we will discuss some other plant fibers, okay, that are coir, hemp and flax. Okay, coir, we get coir from the covering, outer covering of the fruit of cotton. Okay, and this coir is used to make ropes, rugs and carpets also. Okay, so next is hemp, that the hemp we get from the stem of the hemp plant, and it is used for making ropes, carpets, netting, clothes and paper. Yes. So next is flax, that flax fiber that this fiber we get from the stem of the flax plant. Okay, it is used to make a fabric which is called linen. Okay, and it is also used to make paper and ropes also. Okay, these are the other useful plant fibers. So next is spinning cotton yarn. It is on page number 21. Yes. So in this, what we do, we all know that cotton has fibers. Okay, so from this, the cotton fibers, you will form yarn. Okay, there is an activity that we will do after understanding the process. Okay, and the process is called spinning. Okay, so what is spinning? In this, the spinning, in the process of spinning, what we do, we form yarn from the fibers. For example, these are the cotton fibers you are seeing, you are able to see, these are the fibers. Okay, from this we will form a yarn. Okay, so the process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. Yes, in the activity 4, what you have to do, I am reading the activity. Hold some cotton wool in one hand, pinch some cotton between the thumb and forefinger of the other hand. Now, gently start pulling out the cotton while continuously twisting. Are you able to make a yarn? What you will do, you will take cotton, yes, in this way, and what you will do, you will pull the cotton with your thumb and then twist it. You have to do things, sorry, do two things, that are pulling and then twisting. Okay, pulling and then twisting. बहुत ध्यान से करना है ये. Okay, to form yarn, these are the fibers of cotton. Okay, it is cotton. So what you are doing, pulling and then twisting. This process of making yarn from this single strand from fibers is called spinning. Okay, this we are doing with our hand. Okay, we are pulling the cotton and then twisting the to make it a yarn. Okay, so next is, for example, I have made this yarn. You can make it. Okay, you are just try at your home. So आप जितना चाहे उतनी जो लेंथ का है वो आप ये यार्न बना सकते हो. Okay, you have to just pull and twist, pull and twist. Okay, ध्यान रखना है कि कॉटन टूटे ना. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to make a yarn. Okay, जैसे कि ज्यादा जोर से पुल नहीं करना है इसको, क्या वो टूट जाए. Okay, so in this we are able to form cotton yarn from cotton fibers. This yarn is used to make fabric. Okay, you are getting my point? Yeah, next is, so this process that we are doing, it is very slow process. Okay, so there is a further invention takes place in which there is a use of takli. Okay, this by that we do by hand, by our using our hand, it is very slow process. So the further invention is a device, is of a device that is called takli. Okay, it is shown in the figure. Yes. Now next, there are other inventions are also takes place, that is charkha and then spinning machine. You all know that ke Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi use it, okay, during the independence of India, so that we can wear the clothes that are made in India. Okay, khadi that we call. Okay, so in the next para is a simple device used for spinning is a hand spindle called takli that we have seen now. Another hand operated device used for spinning is charkha that is shown in the figure. Use of charkha was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi as a part of independence movement. So it is popularized at that time. Okay. It is handmade charkha, it is made up of bamboo. Okay. In this we made cotton clothes also by the use of this charkha. So what he encouraged people to wear clothes made up of homespun yarn and shun imported cloth made in the mills of Britain. Okay, वो क्या कह रहे थे कि जो हम अपने जो क्लोथ्स हैं वो घर के जो हमने काटा है चरखे पे वो यूज करें. Okay, so when we have to obtain yarn on a large scale, what we use spinning machine. Okay, what is the use of spinning machine, that it is less time consuming. Okay, so the and other use is it can be used on large scale for producing so much amount of yarn. Okay, it is a fast process rather than charkha and spindle that we have discussed now. So it is another hand operated device used for spinning is charkha, and when we have to do spinning of yarn on a large scale, we use spinning machine. Okay, you are getting my point? Now next we will proceed to the next. Now what we have learned till now, that how to form fiber to yarn, how to convert fiber to yarn. Okay, now we will convert this yarn into fabric. Okay, any type of fabric. From this yarn fabric is made. Okay, it is a cotton yarn. Okay, from this now many types of cotton fabrics are made. Then what are the two processes? There are two processes. Main processes are weaving and knitting. Okay, you have all seen near that some mothers do, they knitted sweaters. Okay, from which that wool we form a fabric that we can wear. Okay, so we will discuss about these two processes, weaving and knitting. Sachit, you have any thread or any yarn? Okay, very nice, good. So it is a process for converting yarn to fabric. Okay, what is the weaving? What is defined weaving is the process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric. What we do, we arrange two sets of yarn. We take two yarns and then arrange it to make a yarn. to make a fabric. Okay, there is an activity also, weaving with paper strips, that you will do. Okay, and this activity you will also paste on your notebook. Okay, it is on page number 22. It is shown in the figure also. Okay, this activity you have to paste this activity on your notebooks. So what you have to do is, you will take two colored papers and then fold it. Okay, I am reading how to do it. Take two sheets of paper of different colors, cut square pieces of length and width equal to 30 centimeter. Their length and width should be 30 centimeter. Okay, and fold both the sheets into half. What you will do, you will fold the sheets. Okay, on one sheet draw lines as shown in the figure 3.12a, and on the other as shown in figure 3.212b. Okay, you will draw lines on the paper. Okay, on the first paper you will cut the lines as you have made with the help of a scissor. Okay, cut both the sheets along the dotted lines and then unfold. आपने फिर खोल देना है उसको. ठीक है, फिर जो आपने स्ट्रिप्स बनाई हैं, आपने दूसरे पेपर की जो आपकी कटिंग की हुई है उसमें आपने डालना है. ओवर एंड अंडर, ओवर अंडर, एक ऊपर एक नीचे. ठीक है, we will do at the end of this session this activity. Okay, so the next is yarns. As we all know that the yarns are very much thinner than the paper strips. Okay, so this is the process of weaving. I will show you a video of this activity, that how to make how to weave the paper strips. Okay, it will be more easier for you to understand. Okay, don't worry about that you didn't know how to do this activity. Okay, yarns are much thinner than our paper strips. जो yarn है that are very thinner. Okay, पेपर को तो हम 1 सेंटीमीटर या 2 सेंटीमीटर काटेंगे, बट जो ये yarns होते हैं ये बहुत ही thinner होते हैं. ठीक है, so weaving of fabric is done on looms. Okay, जो वीविंग करनी है, फैब्रिक बनाना है, तो हमें लूम्स यूज करने पड़ते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी थिनर, सो machines are used in it. What is loom? A loom is a device, yes, that is used to make fabric by weaving yarn. Okay, what we do, we convert the yarn into fabric by using a machine. Okay, it can be either hand loom, that is operated by hand. Okay, it can be a power loom. Okay, that is the machine which uses electricity. Power loom means the machine in which the electricity is used for operating. Okay, it can be hand loom. It is visible in the screen, visible on the screen. Yes, hand loom, the person is using his hands to make the fabric, and in the power loom there is no need of any human. Yes, for weaving, the weaving is done by the machine by the use of electricity. Power here means electricity, so the loom that is operated by electricity is called power loom. Okay, simple. Now next is knitting. So the next is the method of knitting. We are discussing the second method now. Okay, we have discussed about weaving. Now we will discuss about knitting. Okay, so in this method, we use only a single yarn, okay, to make the fabric. Okay, there is only a single yarn, that the single wool. You have also seen your mothers knitting sweaters. Okay, वो एक ही yarn को use करती हैं, ठीक है. So और उसी एक single yarn से your sweater or socks is made. Okay, knitting can be done with the help of needles. सिलाई बोलते हैं जिसको, सिलाइयां. And machines also. The knitting that we do by using knitting needles, it is a time consuming method also. So machines do the knitting very fast as compared to the knitting needles. Okay, what the examples of knitting are that you knit sweaters and socks also, and other other clothing material is also made from it. Okay, so it can be done by your hands and with the help of machines also. Okay, now what we have discussed now till now is on page number 22 we have discussed about looms. Okay, it is written in bold, tick that line, looms. On page number 22 the word looms is written in bold, you have to tick that word. Okay, we have discussed two types of looms also, hand loom and power loom. Yes, so now we have discussed about knitting, when we use the method of making the fabric by using a single yarn. Okay, now it is also shown in 3.14 knitting. You are able to see that there are knitting needles that are used for making any fabric. Yes, so next is, have you ever pulled the yarn from a torn pair of socks? What happens? क्या करना है, जैसे कि कोई वूल का फैब्रिक बना हो, आपने उसका एक जो उसका यार्न है, टॉर्न है, जहां से वो थ्रेड को खींचना है, तो फिर क्या होगा, व्हाट हैपेंस, वो सारा जो स्वेटर है या कोई भी सॉक्स है वो पूरी की पूरी उधड़ जाएगी, मींस अनरैपल्ड हो जाएगी. ठीक है, सो व्हाट हैपेंस, अ सिंगल यार्न गेट्स पुल्ड आउट कंटिन्यूअसली एज द फैब्रिक गेट्स अनरेवल्ड. ओके, वो सारा का जो सारा आपने फैब्रिक बनाया होगा वो सारा उधर जाएगा, अनरेवल हो जाएगा. ओके, डू दिस if you have any torn socks or any type of fabric. Okay, so it is used for making so many types of clothes, sweaters, socks, caps are also made from it, gloves. Okay, now next is so Paheli wants to know if you have seen any fabrics that are made of fibers on the outer covering of coconut. What are these fibers normally used for? I have told you that the coconut, from the coconut covering, what we get coir. Okay, for coir is used for making. Anyone knows? Raise your hand. Coir is used for making. What are the uses? What are the uses of coir? Yes, Tanishka?
Yes, ma'am. Coir is used to make carpets.
Yes.
And it's used to make like bags or
ropes
sets.
also, carpets,
Yeah.
ropes, rugs. Yes, these are the
Yeah.
things that we made from coconut coir. Okay.
Coir.
Yes, so On page number 23, weaving and knitting are used for making different kinds of fabric. Obviously, we make different types of fabric from the process of knitting and weaving. These are the two main processes from which the fabrics are made. Okay, now next is history of clothing material 3.6 topic. Yes, so you all know that in the previous years or in the traditional time, what the people wear? They wear, yes, raise your hand if you know that. What the early men wear when there are no clothes or any fabrics, what they wear? Yes, raise your hand.
People wore barks of plants and animal skins.
Yes, they wear big leaves of trees. Yes, and the and bark of trees and animal skin. Yes. So because at that time invention of cloth was not there. Okay, so people cover their body by using these barks, leaves, and animal skins. Yes. So after people began to settle in agriculture communities, means for with the development, what they do, they learn to how to weave the twigs and the grass. Okay, they make what they make baskets and mats. Okay, now vines and fleece, animal fleece or hair were twisted together into long strands. Yes, the animal जो fleece उसके जो hair है उनको वो क्या करते हैं, twist करके long जो है thread strands बना देते हैं. ठीक है, बना देते थे पहले. Now coming on the page number 23, there is a written that the early Indians wore fabrics made out of cotton that grew in the regions near the river Ganga. जो अर्ली इंडियंस थे वो क्या पहनते थे, कॉटन पहनते थे, और जो कॉटन है वो कहाँ पे ग्रो की जाती थी, नियर रिवर गंगा. यू नो फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट कॉटन? कॉटन प्लांट. यस, इट इज द which part of plant from where we get cotton? Name. Yes, Tanishka. Girik.
Ma'am, it's the fruit of the cotton plant.
Yes,
or
fruit of the cotton plant from where we get cotton. Yes. The cotton is grown near the river Ganga. You have to take this line and flex. The flex fiber we get from the stem of the flex plant. Okay, the fabric that we made from the flex plant is linen. Okay, it is a natural fiber, linen. Now, it is also a natural fiber. Yes. In ancient Egypt, cotton as well as flax were cultivated near the river Nile and were used for making fabrics. जो इजिप्ट में थे वहां पे भी कॉटन एंड फ्लेक्स को कल्टीवेट किया जाता था नियर द रिवर नाइल. ओके, so now coming to the next para, it is just about history of what happens in the previous time, what happened in the previous time. people don't know about stitching also. Okay, they wear fabrics. For example, nowadays people also wear dhoti and fabrics, sorry, saris. These are not stitched. Okay, at that time also there is that people don't know about stitching. Okay, तो फिर वो क्या करते थे, ऐसे ही पहन लेते थे फैब्रिक को ही. ठीक है, nowadays stitching is done. We wear salwar suits after stitching. Yes, and many types of pants, trousers that we wear after stitching. Okay, so in the ancient time, but the stitching was not there. So after the invention of stitching needle, उसके बाद स्टिचिंग नीडल जो आई है, तब हमने उसके बाद स्टिचिंग जो है स्टार्ट हुई है. ओके, बट is it not amazing that even today sari, dhoti or lungi or turban is used an unstitched piece of fabric. Nowadays people also wear these clothings. Yes, just as there is a large variety of food, there is also a large, agar food की इतनी variety है, then there is a large variety of plant fibers, animal fibers is also there that we wear. Okay, from fiber we make yarn, and then from that yarn we make fabric. Yes, now this chapter is completed now. Okay, we will see a video for making for the activity. Okay, weaving with paper strips. Just wait.